Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the smoother feature on the Photoshop application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should click on the home button in the left side corner of the screen and then click on the photo editor option. Tap on the picture that you would like to edit. And after that, click on the smooth option down below in the right side corner of the screen. And here you can apply a filter or use the slider to adjust the intensity of skin smoothing. You should tap on either smooth or smoother, and here you can select face. If you select the face feature, it will smoothen the entire face. Manual, meaning that you can use the brush to smooth areas of the photo that you select. You can adjust the slider to adjust the brush size, so zoom in, brush over the area that you would like to smooth. Here you can see the result, and use the slider to set the brush size. And you can also use the eraser, so you can brush over the areas that you want to erase like this. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.